Welcome to It's Rafiq. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can find out top 3 values or top 5 values from a range, from a group of numbers. So first of all, we'll go to that particular cell where we want to find out. Then type equal symbol. After typing equal, write large, L-A-R-G-E, large, then bracket on, and you select the numbers. Here I will select the numbers from column C2 till C11. And please remember, if you want to copy the formula to other cell, then type the absolute values, or if you don't want to copy, just select the numbers and close the bracket and give comma. The large function have two parameters. First, the data or the numbers with whom I am comparing the position. Then here the position of the number, it can be first, second, third. As I want the first or the most costliest currency, so I'll type here 1. So here you can see it came this one, 61,373. Now I want the second one. For that, the same formula, just in place of 1 we will write 2, equal large, bracket on, then select the numbers, comma, then now I want the second position, then bracket close. So this one came. Now for the third one, again same formula, equal large, bracket on, select the numbers, then here I want the third position, so 3. So these are just displaying as a number, but I want them as a currency. For that, you select the numbers, tap on A, go to cell, number format, from here select currency and select the alignment as left. Now I want the least numbers, means I want the top 3 numbers in descending order. Like for that, in place of large we will write small, bracket, select the numbers, then the position, first position. So this is 24. And now second largest, same formula, equal, then bracket, select the number, comma, position 2, bracket close. So this is second position. Now for third position, equal small, bracket, select the numbers, then 3, bracket close. So our third position is also 1, because 1 is 2 times here, that's why it's displayed as 1 only. Now to put rupees symbol, again same thing, cell, number format, then currency. And let's see, we'll change the value of USD coin. So here not Tether USDT. Here in place of 1 we'll write here 1.01. Now we'll see the rank will change. And for keep the alignment left, from here you select left. Now how we can put rank? Suppose I want to give rank to the currency, like Bitcoin is the most costliest one, so it should be 1, and so on. For that, first we'll go to the cell where I want the rank, then type equal and write rank, then bracket on, then the value with whom I will compare. Rank function will have three parameters. First the value with whom I am going to compare, then next the series or the range with whom the number is comparing, and the last one is I want the rank in ascending order or in descending order. So first of all I will select the cell C2, then I will select the range. And please remember, if you want to copy the formula to rest of the cells, if you don't want to type the cell address in absolute reference. For that you will have to type $, then the cell number. My cell number is C2, C, then again $2, then colon, my last cell is C11, so dollar C, again $11. Now bracket close and done. As here you can see my number format is displaying as money, but I want them as a number. For that we'll go to a cell, number formats, we'll select here plain text, done. Now we'll copy the formula to rest of the cells. So autofill. So here you can see the ranking of the numbers. The Bitcoin is the first rank, then the second rank Ethereum. So this way we can find out the top 3 numbers, or we can find out the ranks in our spreadsheet, whether it can be Excel or Google spreadsheet. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.